Have you ever wondered why some girls admit their feelings first, while others keep them hidden for months or even years? Here's the surprising part. It's usually not because they don't like the guy. It's because they don't feel safe enough to reveal how they feel. The difference between the men women confess to and the men they secretly like but never tell often comes down to a few small behaviors. Today, I'm going to show you 5 powerful ways to make her feel comfortable enough to confess her feelings first. And don't miss number 5, because it's the mistake almost every guy makes without realizing it. Let's get started. Number 1, stop chasing and start living your own life. One of the biggest mistakes men make is making a woman feel like she's the center of their universe too early. They text every hour. They're always available. They cancel plans just to reply instantly. At first, this might seem romantic, but in reality, it removes all mystery. When someone knows you'll always be there no matter what, they don't feel any urgency to express how they feel. Instead, focus on building an exciting life. Spend time with friends. Work on your goals. Go to the gym. Learn new skills. Travel when you can. When she sees that your life is already full, she'll naturally become curious about where she fits into it. People value what isn't constantly chasing them. And here's the important part. Don't ignore her to play games. Just genuinely have a life that doesn't revolve around her. Confidence is attractive because it shows you're happy with or without anyone's approval. Number 2, make her feel emotionally safe. Most people think attraction is only about looks, but emotional safety is what makes someone open up. If every conversation turns into teasing, showing off, or trying to impress her, she'll probably enjoy talking to you, but she may never reveal what's truly on her mind. Instead, become someone she feels comfortable talking to. Listen when she speaks. Remember small details she shares. Don't judge her opinions. If she tells you something personal, don't laugh at it or use it against her later. When someone feels understood, they naturally begin trusting you. And trust is often the first step before someone admits their feelings. Women rarely confess to someone who makes them feel emotionally unsafe. Number 3, create moments that she'll remember. Think about the people you remember most. It's usually not because you talked every day. It's because you shared meaningful experiences together. Instead of endless texting, create memories. Go for a walk. Try something fun together. Watch the sunset. Visit a new cafe. Play a game. Even simple experiences create emotional connections. Our brains naturally associate positive emotions with the people we experience them with. This is why shared experiences often strengthen attraction much more than hundreds of text messages. The more memorable moments you create, the harder it becomes for her to ignore what she's feeling. Number 4, give her space to miss you. This is where many guys lose their chance. They believe constant communication keeps attraction alive. But sometimes distance creates clarity. If you're texting every minute of every day, she never gets the opportunity to wonder what you're doing. She never has time to miss your presence. Healthy space allows emotions to grow. Notice something interesting. When people start wondering why they haven't heard from someone for a while, that's often when they realize how much that person means to them. Again, this isn't about disappearing to manipulate her. It's about respecting your own time and allowing the relationship to breathe naturally. If she likes you, she'll often begin reaching out herself, and that's a very good sign. Number 5, let her invest in you. This might be the most powerful point in the entire video. Many men think attraction grows by constantly giving, buying gifts, doing endless favors, always making the effort. But relationships become stronger when both people invest. Let her help you sometimes. Ask for her opinion. Accept a small favor. Let her plan something occasionally. When someone invests their time, energy, and emotions into another person, they naturally become more attached. Psychologists sometimes call this the investment effect. The more effort someone willingly puts into a relationship, the more valuable it becomes in their own mind. If she's always the one receiving, while you're always the one giving, she may appreciate you, but she won't necessarily feel deeply connected. Give her opportunities to contribute. That's often when feelings become impossible to hide. At the end of the day, you can't force someone to fall in love. And you shouldn't try. Real attraction happens naturally. Your job isn't to convince someone to like you. Your job is to become the kind of person people naturally want to be around. When you focus on confidence, emotional safety, memorable experiences, healthy space, and mutual effort, you'll often find that she starts revealing her feelings without you ever asking. Sometimes it'll be through her words, sometimes through her actions. Either way, you'll know it feels genuine because it happened naturally, not because you pressured her. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, subscribe for more psychology and relationship advice, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new upload. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever had someone confess their feelings to you first? Or are you still waiting for that moment? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to read your story.